These are the three layers that are located inside a computer keyboard. So the device in my hand is a computer keyboard. This is a Labcare computer keyboard, and in this video we are showing what is inside this computer keyboard. For doing this you must open the keyboard first. So you can see plenty of screws located on the back side of your computer keyboard. You can remove this using screwdriver or any other alternative tools. You can remove this kind of screws from the keyboards. So after removing all these screws from the keyboard's backside, then you can simply open the back cover. So while you open the back cover, then you can see all these things inside a computer keyboard. This is a USB cable type keyboard, and that is why the wire connecting to our computer. And these are the you can see all these three layers are for this, and this is touching our keycaps. Okay, now remove this one, and if you press a key on the other side, there is a keycap. Then these are the keycaps, and you can also check out the circuit. So this is the circuit. We can see the lights closer to caps lock, number lock, etc. This is the circuit. Hope this video helps you. For more video updates, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.